you all for all your love and support. God bless you all. Today, I'm going to show you how to prepare cow food pepper soup. I have already blended pepper soup spices, clove powder, black pepper, African nut milk, salt, seasoning cube, jassa seed, onion, garlic, ginger, pepper, spring onion, and my cow food, all washed and clean. I'll start by putting my cow food on the stove to cook. I'll have to cook until it's tender. Meanwhile, I'll blend my spices. And when the cow food is almost ready, I'll add in my blended spices. Just keep watching, and please do not miss out any steps. Thank you.